You've come to e-commerce to make big money, right? Then you'll definitely need hot products that sell, and trust me, we've got all of them here at Salvia. In this video, I'll show you the product that will help you make cool revenue figures while keeping people's drinks cool. Here we go. Summertime is the time to chill, enjoy warm weather, and savor every moment of this amazing season. Hot weather means that it's a must to stay hydrated. And when else will we have an excuse to indulge in refreshing, tasty, not so healthy drinks? You know what I mean. To make sure all your canned drinks keep their temperature for a longer period of time, can cooler sleeves can help a lot. However, what's even better than a simple can cooler is one that has a unique design. By the way, if you'd like to learn more about the money-making power of unique products, go check out our video called How to Make 50 Million by Selling T-shirts. Now, let's get back to selling custom can cooler sleeves. You might be surprised, but the can cooler sleeve market is worth quite a lot, and it's projected to grow even more. According to Future Market Insights, in the 2020 market was worth $10.8 billion. And considering the benefits of can sleeves, especially in the hot regions, the market is projected to show a rise during the forecasted period 2022-2032 of 6.3%. And it's indeed a profitable business idea. For instance, the owners of the Quality Perfection store created unique products that have captured the hearts of the consumers. Over the years, at the minimum, they made about $1,453,000. And there's nothing surprising. If we take a look at the Google Trends graphic chart, we can see that can cooler sleeves become quite popular during the warmer month of the year. From this, we can conclude that this is going to be one of the most promising trends for the years to come. Let's take a look at factual products Quality Perfection offers and get inspired, shall we? They offer a wide variety of different products for different cans with different designs. Anyone can find something to their liking, whether they want something outstanding or minimalistic. As you can see, a wide variety of designs options provides consumers with lots of excellent options to customize their canned drinks and gives opportunities for more revenue. And the best part is that you can also become an owner of a brand that sells these kinds of products with the help of premium products. So, what are premium products? Premium products is a service that allows you to sell your own unique products with awesome designs. Whether it's can cooler sleeves, t-shirts, laptop accessories, or anything else, we've got you covered. It's actually simple. All you have to do is let our specialists know your interests and preferences. Our team of professionals monitors search queries on Amazon and Google to see what people truly want. With this info, we elaborate on products' designs. Then you can easily sell these products in your own online store or on Amazon. When you receive an order, you just redirect it to us and we fulfill it on your behalf. Sounds simple, and it actually is simple. And if it sounds exciting, don't hesitate to book a free consultation with us and learn more about this opportunity. Can cooler sleeves are useful, ubiquitous gadgets that can make any person's hot day a whole lot better. And they're a great answer to how to make good money online. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to click thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments, questions, and ideas in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!